Protect your precious smartphone with the easy-to-install screen protector from NALIA. With our kit, you get everything you need to optimally protect your screen. Just follow the steps below to protect your smartphone from damage. Step 1. Prepare the screen. Use our damp cleaning cloth to remove dust, dirt, and fingerprints from the screen. Then dry it thoroughly with our high-quality microfiber cloth. Then use the dust remover adhesive sticker to remove any remaining dust particles from the display. Step 2. Correct positioning of the screen protector. Place the protective glass on your screen and make sure that the cutouts for the camera are exactly aligned. Then optionally use the mounting aid alignment stickers to fix the protective glass in this position. Check the position again by raising and lowering the protective glass. Then remove the carrier protective film. Be careful not to touch the adhesive side with your fingers to avoid contamination. Step 3. Attach the smartphone. Gently lower the protective glass onto your screen and watch it fit perfectly. Step 4. Smooth out any air bubbles. Use the included microfiber cloth or your fingers to quickly and easily remove any remaining air bubbles. Congratulations! Your smartphone is now well protected. Your new NALIA screen protector is securely attached and protects your screen from scratches, cracks, and other damage. And don't worry, the fingerprint scanner still works without any problems. Give your device the best protection it deserves. If you have difficulties with the fingerprint scanner, we recommend that you increase the touch sensitivity of the screen in your smartphone settings and then set up the fingerprint again to guarantee full compatibility with the screen protector. Attaching the protective camera glass. For the perfect positioning of the camera glass, simply repeat steps 1 to 4. Step 1. Thoroughly clean the camera with the damp cleaning cloth and the microfiber cloth. Remove the last dust particles with the dust remover adhesive sticker. Step 2. Make sure the camera protection glass is positioned perfectly aligned over the camera. Step 3. Attach the glass to the smartphone by pressing it perpendicular to the camera until it sticks. Step 4. Smooth out any air bubbles with the microfiber cloth. Done! Your smartphone is now fully protected.